It's definitely ignited the passion, definitely there again.
Have you winched this out of a pond? It's horrific.
I have not seen a car this dirty in a very long time.
Now, let's see what this entails. Duncan has always loved American pickups, so when he travelled to the States in 2004 to buy this Ford Ranger Edge brand new, it was a genuine bucket list moment. The Ranger was his pride and joy and only used for Sunday best. It was his baby until he and his wife had a baby. It hasn't moved from the drive for almost 4 years. You and Joe have 8 hours to make this truck feel like a member of the family again.
8 hours. I feel like the clock's already ticking and we're losing minutes as we're speaking.
We've got to undo 4 years in 8 hours. And this is only one side. Let's have a proper look round.
Well, that's not taken long, has it?
The headlights are horrific. I'm going to start calling this the Green Lantern.
You're not getting anything through them.
It's just awful. Let's have a look round the side. This is the gift that keeps on giving. It is horrific.
There's no escaping it on this one.
We've got moss, mould, cobwebs.
We're losing time. Let's get the hot wash out. Traffic film remover.
And a snow foam. No messing about on this pre-wash. The rain is coming, we're really running out of time.
Yeah, but we still need to give this thing a really good scrub before we even think about decontaminating it.
Let's get on with it.
You can really see the black starting to come through, but you can feel there's still dirt in there.
There's so much dirt trapped in the pores, it's crazy. You can definitely see that it was washed before he'd parked it.
Oh, yeah, it
was loved.
You can tell
until
the paint's
last
not
minute.
trashed, yeah. Feel like the heavens are about to absolutely smash us.
We've got this in just in the nick of time. There's no point drying it.
No, this is in desperate need of decontamination.
I don't think I've ever seen paint dirtier than this. It makes the Escort look spotless. Oh.
Now, on a hot summer's day, you won't get away with this, but where it's raining outside, the additional water on the car where we haven't dried it will actually aid lubrication when clay barring. Top tip from me, when it gets tough, resist the urge to push harder, work faster. A clay bar works on friction and not force.
Ordinarily, the dirt would be trapped in the clay bar, but there is so much on this car, it's actually started collecting in a little puddle. That's after a hot wash, TFR, contact wash. This thing is caked.
Detailing in the cold is always hard work, so where you can, work smarter, not harder. Here we've got hot water in our bucket. As Jack's demonstrating, that's making a clay bar more malleable and easier to work with.
"5 hours in, all we've done is clean it. We've still got to polish it and we've not had a look inside yet." Unfortunately, this bed is a lot worse than we thought, and it's time to polish.
Yeah. Give me a little bit of time on a machine polisher on this. Let me see what I can do.
You do the bed, I'll do the rest. Whilst we're not correcting this paint, even giving it some gloss enhancement is going to make a massive difference.
Jack, we're 7 hours in.
I know it's only an hour to go, but the paintwork does look good.
Completely agree. However, we haven't looked inside the truck yet.
We've left it a bit late. We better add. Ooh, not the worst, but certainly not the best interior I've ever seen.
Okay, you leave the interior to me.
I'll go and do the alloys.
Perfect.
Joe, 8 hours are up, and I must say, I'm really proud of where we got to.
Yeah, big transformation on this one. Shame about the bed, but there's some things detailing just can't save.
You're absolutely right. Some bits do need repairing, but Duncan's in for a treat. I think he's here. Let's go and get him. Duncan, how are you?
I'm very well, mate. How are you?
Living the dream. I'm Jack, this is Joe, and this is your Ford Ranger, am I right?
That's right, mate, yeah.
Where did the love for American trucks come from?
Probably teenage years, you know, looking at books, magazines, things like that. Basically thinking of things that you'd never be able to, you know, get or achieve.
So, the Ranger's turned up to us in a little bit of a state.
Yeah.
Do you still love it?
Absolutely, 100%.
Let's have a look.
Oh my God, yeah, she looks amazing. Completely different, total transformation. Looks fabulous. Love that little touch on the mat, that splash.
What do you reckon to your truck being all one colour?
Superb. Thank you so much. You've done an amazing job, you guys.
Slightly different to how we got it.
Definitely different to how you got it.
Unfortunately, there's a couple of bits that aren't perfect. The wheels, definitely going to benefit from a refurb.
Yeah.
And the bed,
Yeah. Probably needs a little bit of paint, but on the whole, what a transformation.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely. It was looking a bit sorry for itself.
We wondered if you parked it in a pond. Looking at it now, have you
Yeah.
got any plans to tinker?
100% got plans for it. We've got no plans of ever getting rid of it, but I've got plans of when my little girl grows up, she can come out with us. Be
No, cool,
great.
make some new memories.
Yeah, make
Love
some
it.
new memories.
That's what it's about.
Yeah.
Yeah.